Hello everyone, today let's crochet the simple sunflower coaster. It's easy and beautiful. Take out the brown yarn. In magic ring, work 3 chains at the first double crochet stitch. Make a mark. Then continue to work DC stitches. In round 1, we need work 12 DC stitches in total. Okay, finished. Work a slip stitch in the first stitch to finish round 1. Round 2, we still work 3 chains at the first double crochet stitch. Then work a double crochet in the same stitch. Next, we need to work double crochet increase in every stitch, which means work 2 double crochet stitches in one stitch. In round 2, we need 12 sets of double crochet increase. Now we finished. Take out the mark. Work a slip stitch in the first stitch. Then work a chain and cut off the yarn. Then we take out the yellow yarn to start round 3. Round 3, we still work 3 chains first. This is the first double crochet stitch. Next stitch, we work a double crochet increase. The third stitch, we work a double crochet. Then continue to work double crochet increase. Repeat work a double crochet and a double crochet increase to the end. 12 steps in total in round 3. Work a slip stitch in the first stitch. Now we finished round 3. In round 4, we still work 3 chains as the first double crochet stitch. Then we need to work front post DC stitch. Next stitch, we work double crochet increase. Then repeat work a double crochet stitch, a front post double crochet stitch, a double crochet increase. 12 sets in total in round 4. Twelve sets finished. Work a slip stitch in the first stitch. Now let's crochet the round 5. We still work 3 chains as the first double crochet stitch. Then work a front post double crochet stitch. Next, work a double crochet stitch. The fourth stitch, we work a double crochet increase. 4 stitches as a set. Then we repeat work a double crochet stitch, a front post double crochet stitch, a double crochet stitch, and a double crochet increase stitches. Twelve sets in total in round 5. Okay, take out the mark, work a slip stitch. Now let's work the last round. Work a chain as standing stitch. Skip the first stitch. Work front post single crochet stitch and work a chain. Then skip the next stitch. Work double crochet increase. Next, still work double crochet increase. then work a chain. Now have finished one set. Next, repeat. Skip one stitch, then work front post single crochet stitch and work a chain. Skip the next stitch, work 2 sets of double crochet increase. Then work a chain. Repeat work to the end, 12 sets in total. Finished, work a slip stitch in the first stitch. Work a chain and cut off the yarn. Now have finished the coaster. Then process the remaining yarn. Now the sunflower coast had finished.